cannot believe I just day one. Me and Joe rested me. He's dead right now. Fucking dead. Alright, Jack just got on his first bow bolt. We're coming to finish him off real quick. Hell yes, baby. Oh my god. No fucking way. You freaking smoked him, dude. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. That's a fucking dandy, brother. Oh my god. How do you feel, dude? Oh, that is so fucking crazy. Let's go. Hold on, baby. Alright, so late in the day we had this bull consistently responding to our location bugles, so we made the trek across the canyon to get a closer look. If you've elk hunted out west in September, you know bulls love a good north-facing bench, especially with the warmer temperatures in early September. We snuck into his general area and let out a cow call. There he was at 63 yards, only catching a glimpse of his back end. 63. Bryson moved in, and not even a minute later, I heard another bugle where we had just come from. I walked out to the edge of the bench, looked down, and there was another solid sixer. I told Jack to creep down while I initiated the cow party. Screaming like crazy, bugling, cow calling. He comes into Jack. I'm videoing. You'll see him drawn back in the video. Shoots, smokes him, dude. I hear it hit. I'm like, oh, he freaking smoked him. Let's go. Let's check this thing out, dude. Oh my god, you fucking got him. Oh my god, he's nice, bro. Double times, baby. Holy fuck, no. Dude, he's a nice bull.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that just happened. Ugh.
You smoked him. Let's look at the shot on that. Oh my goodness. He didn't go freaking 50 yards. Alright, it's been an eventful evening. We're just setting up our bull here. Jack made a dandy shot on it. Check it.
Yep, got right.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
Oh my god, dude. Holy. Literally, I had the biggest adrenaline rush when Joe said that he was fucking down. I thought there was no way. Guys, literally the one tree that I ranged and had an opening, he came through.
That's awesome.
That's freaking awesome. It was meant to be.
Dude, that was fucking badass.
Oh my god.
Check that video and see if it looked alright.
Okay. Alright, we're making quick work of this thing. The boys are going hard. How's she looking?
You're looking fucking good, baby.
Let's see what we got going on over here. Just getting the head cleaned up. Nice, bro. Got our back straps hanging right here. They're looking pretty good, and then we got some front quarter, hind quarter meat lined out, drying. We just got everything loaded up. Jack's pack is looking good. Can you get her?
Yeah, grab that side. And your whistling tube. I don't know if you even call this a bugling tube, but just a whistling tube.
Just a whistler.
You're about 3.5 feet wide, so
Close, very close to the line.
Alright, gonna be a long walk back to the truck, but we should get there at some point. Getting her down tonight. Try to get out of here. Have a good sunset.